watch in front of the camera. Look at this guy. These guys are acting weird back here. We're gonna just stay back here. Hey, who the news now? Who the news now? We the news now. We just made the news. Oh, we are on the back scene channel, Fox News back scene, you guys, back here. We did foodie over here. Look at that. We on the news over here at the back scene, you guys. We had news all day. You just saw the news, show her. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. This is the news. She's so pretty. We're on. You guys aren't on. I have not been drinking. Why'd I be drinking for?
We're almost at 7K.
You're going live? Are we live now? It's the cold exhaust. Is she live, that lady? She's live? We are live here on Fox 11 News. I don't know where Chris is at, but you guys, we are live, Fox 11 News. What is going on? Yeah, we got the news people here that have been interviewing us all day. Chris went to go get a puppy. Their fire pants, because they just showed us some crazy footage of them going through the fires in Pasadena, and it was crazy. Yeah, so they are coming down from places where the fires, ripping through fires, where streets are on fire, houses are on fire. It looked like a inferno. So yeah. Just gonna chill right here with you guys. We got this girl over here. She's judgy. She's like, it is not cool.
Ever since I put them on my taste.
She's telling her TikTok family.
You spread the word. Who's the guy that does
Maybe she's an influencer. She said she came to donate, to volunteer, and a lot of this is not going to the evacuees. A lot of it's going towards the community. But you got to understand that there's a lot of people who are dropping off, and now it's just gotten so big, and there's just so much stuff. So it's going towards, it's going towards the community. There's too much stuff, you guys. There's just way too much stuff. Enough for the evacuees, enough for anybody who wants to come on down, help volunteer, and help be a part of the motions. But it also is a safe place for evacuees to come. I have an evacuee that just came from the Awildfires up there, that 1988. He's here volunteering.
Yo, yeah. The chat knows my dad, bro.
The chat knows your
I
dad.
swear, they told me where my pops was.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm very proud of you.
Right.
I love reading this shit, man.
Right.
What's up, chat?
Is he single? Yeah, he's single. He's single.
I see that, Alan. What's up?
Right?
Yep, I am Alan.
This is Alan.
W's Alan. Yep. All dubs in the chat.
This guy.
What was your name? Queen what?
Queen of LA.
What makes it wrong is when the rocks 11 years subjected say this is what it is because it's not. Okay? That's how
We did mention
But and also I have people who come down who are after evacuated from
Yo, why is there always that one? Why is there always that one girl? Man, my eyes red as hell. Why is there always that one person, bro?
Queen of LA. Being followed.
Nice.
What's up, my boy?
Chilling, bro.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Bless you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Jesus loves you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Jesus loves you.
That homie's weird, bro. What's up, gang? What's up, chat? It's got the other way, bro. Flip the camera.
I was showing them the trash can, how to take the trash can.
Yo, what's up, chap? Oh, you want me to move my phone? Shit.
What is it?
What's up, man? Y'all be not, man. I love when y'all hate on me, man. It just makes me work harder, baby.
We fake, oh yeah, we so fake. Look, we have, I have and look at who pictures, you see my son, you see Miguel, $200, $300. Look at my son.
Hello, Jimmy. They say, what's up, Jimmy?
Hola!
Queen of LA, what's up?
You want me to clean your shoes?
Hell no, why my shoes dirty?
I'm on, no, that means you might.
Be here a little late because of my son. We gotta wait. So we're gonna babysitter.
My name's Alan G. The Queen's my homegirl. That's my homegirl. What's up, chat?
Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Benny.
Yeah, so I just took her over there. Oh, where's my chat? Oh yeah, there we go, chat. Jeez, I just left you guys all alone again. I'm so sorry.
Love you, Queen.
Bye. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you. Yes. Let's go.
No, big hearts in the chat.
Let's go. Big hearts. Big hearts. Man, she was some like volunteer who came down here to drop off clothes, but then she was very disappointed because it's not what she expected it to be. She doesn't think so that there's the evacuees here, but I said, would you like to go meet one? And then I took her over there. She's just saying some, but I have friends who are just got evacuated that can't go back home. Their house is almost burned down. They're scared. They had to drop off their child at a grandmother, so I let her meet there. I'm like, you want to come meet an evacuee? Here's one right here. Stop. No. Theo Jimmy's son is an evacuee too, right?
Yeah, Theo Jimmy, yeah, talk to him.
Yeah. Alan's talking now. Where's
So here's what we do. Look, this is what they said. A victim is not only those that lost their home.
Right, exactly.
Also those
That's a good.
Those that lost their job because of fires.
Oh yeah, exactly. And those who lost their jobs, because that's a good.
Hey, at the end of the day, what are we gonna do with all this? We're gonna give it away to people that really need it.
Yeah, and obviously, people who
Did you get her ad? Did you get her TikTok thing? Did you get her name?
No, I don't know who she
They're
is.
gonna find them for you.
We don't know who she is.
He just gave me some great advice.
But
So he told me to.
Karen says that this giveaway is not secretly evaluating victims. That is all
Booty just gave me a video. He's like, hey.
right, you guys? I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna take you with me this time. Let's go. Let's go. All right.